Welcome to the fresh class of IELTS speaking. Today, we are going to discuss topic number 5. Fashion. Do you care about fashion?
I used to in my younger days. I remember always looking to see what my favorite musicians were wearing and then trying to copy them, but now that I'm older, I don't really care as long as I look smart.
What kind of things do you normally wear?
It depends on what I'm doing, really. If I'm working, I always wear a dress shirt and trousers, but we don't have to wear ties. Going out will be more casual, like a polo shirt and jeans, and if I'm at home, it will be relaxed, just a t-shirt and shorts.
Are there any traditional clothes in your country?
I have no idea. There might be, but I can't recall ever hearing anyone talking about them or seeing someone wearing them.
Where do you usually purchase your clothes?
I used to go to the trendy shops when I was a student, but now I'm older and have little time. I like to go to a big shopping center or department store and buy everything there. It's more convenient that way, so I don't have to run all over town just for a few clothes.
Have you ever bought clothes online?
No, because I don't trust their clothes to always fit me. I know a few people who order lots of clothes online, order a few different sizes, and then send the ones that don't fit them back, but I can't be bothered with all that. It's much quicker to go into a proper shop and try the clothes on there and make sure they are a proper fit.
Do people from your country think fashion is important?
More so these days. Our country wouldn't be very high on the international fashion hotspots list, but I notice people following certain trends more. Last year, there was a red trouser craze, and everywhere you looked, people had red trousers on.
What is your favorite item of clothing?
Probably my leather jacket. It cost a fortune and makes me feel confident when I go out in it. I normally get a few compliments also because it is quite slimming.
Next part of this course will be uploaded soon. Till then, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.